it's me, Noah. We have found our toolkit and we are going to be opening it to see what is included. Okay, open this part. Okay.
Oh.
It's like Christmas.
It's kind of like Christmas, isn't it?
So we have Nova Compact.
Okay. So that's the air drill.
Okay.
Yeah, nice and
4,000
compact.
RPM. We have
Chucky.
Chucky. And we have the air drill. The grip, pretty nice.
Nice hand grip, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It'll work good.
Okay.
That's what I've been wanting to see, the Cleco rivets
Yeah.
for holding it together.
So now we also have
Aviation 10 snap.
Aviation 10 snaps. Okay. We'll have a little damage on the back.
That's okay. Yeah, that's fine. Oh yeah. So you got a right hand, a left hand, and a straight cut.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Like if you're cutting a circle, you can use right hand or left hand.
500,000 cuts.
Okay. And there's the rivet gun.
Here is the 3/16-inch hydraulic air riveter gun. Wow, looks cool.
Yeah, it'll do all the sizes.
Yep. Next we got heavy duty hand riveter.
Okay, for tight spots.
It's pretty banged up.
That's okay. That's just for shipping, but yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's in good shape.
Just push it and it has this thing. Lock. Okay, we got a stick.
Just cut away from you. There you go. Oh, 3 Sharpies for marking. Well, I might look at the instructions on this one. I'm not sure about this tool. It's a holding fixture, it appears.
Yeah.
Good thing we got good directions.
Yeah.
Deburring tool for deburring the drilled holes to eliminate metal stress. Some more clamps.
What is this?
Tape measure.
What is this?
File.
So we got a file here.
Mill file. Just one?
I think there's another.
Okay.
Oh, it has rust. Looks like. No, that's cardboard. And we got
Drill bits.
drill bits. So we got another file.
And this is where the magic happens. Cleco pliers.
Yep.
Temporary rivets for holding parts together. Get 2 of them, we can make faster time. And these we had to put in the bin. Maybe we would do a separate video on these when we put them in the bin. Because these are different size Clecos.
Yep, Clecos.
So we'll have another video on that shortly.
Measuring tape.